Hello everyone, this is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss an algorithm for finding square root of 12 using fixed point iteration method. For square root of 12, we can write an equation x square is equals to 12. So we can also write it as x square minus 12 is equals to 0. So f of x is x square minus 12 and f dash x is equal to 2x. And g of x is equal to x minus x square minus 12 upon 2x is equal to 1 by 2 into x plus 12 by x. We can take the initial guess x naught x0 is equals to 3, then solve until the change between the iteration is less than the predefined tolerance. So the algorithm for finding square root of 12 using fixed point iteration will be: first step is to start. Second, define function f of x. Now define function g of x which is obtained from f of x is equals to 0 such that x is equals to g of x and g dash x is less than 1. Choose initial guess x0, tolerance error and maximum iteration n. Initialize iteration counter step is equals to 1. Calculate x1 is equals to g of x0. Seventh step is to increment the iteration counter to step plus 1. If step is greater than n, then print not convergent and go to 12. Otherwise, go to 10. Set x0 is equals to x1 for next iteration. If f of x1 is greater than e, then we have to go to the step 6, otherwise go to the step 11. Step 11 is to display x1 as root. Now we will stop this process of finding the square root of 12 using fixed point iteration method.